Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your phone plan permits tethering and you have data left. Once that's confirmed, enable the hotspot on your phone, create a recognizable SSID and a strong password so devices don't connect accidentally. Meanwhile, on the PC side, open the Wi-Fi menu or prepare a USB cable. If you'll use USB tethering, install any required phone drivers now, so the system can detect the device immediately when you connect. Now you'll actually connect and configure the link. Choose Wi-Fi if you need mobility, USB for the most reliable speed and charging, or Bluetooth if you want low power. On the PC, select the phone SSID and enter the password, or plug in the USB and enable USB tethering in phone settings so the PC creates a network adapter. Make sure the PC gets an IP4 address via DHCP. If not, set a manual IP within the phone's subnet. Finally, tune hotspot timeout and device limits. To finish, confirm the PC has internet access and run a quick speed test so you know performance expectations. Close heavy apps if speeds lag. Secure the hotspot with a fresh password and restrict devices when possible to avoid surprise usage. If something goes wrong, try the classic fixes. Restart both devices, replug USB cables, toggle tethering off and on, and ensure your carrier isn't blocking hotspots. If it is, contact support or use a sanctioned hotspot plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.